clarify ko lang yon, hindi siya victory sa ngayon, at least on the procedural level, kasi meron pa tayong pending na motion for reconsideration. I was also asked kasi if we think that vindicates everything. At hindi naman po talaga siya, I don't think the term vindication is the proper term, kasi syempre when we talk about vindication, nasa merits po yan ng kaso, no? At wala pa po tayo doon. So sa atin, I guess we consider it as an affirmation of our position, the defense position all along, nung Pebrero pa lang, na unconstitutional itong articles of impeachment. I guess that's the best way to characterize, no, what we consider the Supreme Court decision to be.
Okay, pero attorney, hindi kasi nangyari yung dismissal na hinahangad din ng mga kaalyado ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa Senado. Archive yung nangyari doon sa impeachment case. So do you consider or do you see this na concerning in a way kasi hindi pa talaga siya na diretso na dismissal? Or halos gano'n na rin ba yun? Pareho na rin ba siya sa dismissal?
Sa amin naman po, I don't think na pareho siya sa dismissal, pero hindi naman siya concern sa amin because syempre, ang laban talaga ng defense team sa ngayon is yung MR na file, no, ng House of Representatives, which is, as I've always said, within their right and prerogative to do so. So kasi pag tayo ay syempre maglalabas tayo ng magfa-file din tayo ng ating comment sa MR para, to give our counter arguments dun sa mga arguments na nilatag nila. And once and for all, if let's say the Supreme Court decides in our favor, parang ipso facto na rin naman po yung pagka-archive hindi na mabubuhay ulit, no? Which is juxtaposed with kung mag-reverse man ang Supreme Court, natural lang naman na siyempre, depending on the decision of the Supreme Court, kung ano man yung sasabihin sa reversal, maaari talagang mabuhay pa rin yung kaso. So right now, everything is purely speculative po kasi. That's why we don't really want to comment on anything. But just to directly answer your question, sa amin hindi naman siya ganun ka significant or concerning yung pagka-archive. I think the Senate was really just trying its best to comply with the decision of the Supreme Court, which said that even if it's not final dahil meron pang MR, ay immediately executory na po yung ruling nila na void ab initio itong sinasabi nating articles of impeachment at hindi na nagkaroon ng jurisdiction ang Senado.